Wow. We eat.
Hello everybody. As you can see, the turkey is all done and looking nice. Good to go. Now it's ready to serve. So remember how we stopped yesterday? You just leave it overnight and it's already baked, done, fully cooked, and it's all looking good. So now it's good to
How
go.
many
You
hours
can
did you bake
it takes pretty much hour. Everybody it has it's kind of a thermometer in it that tells you when it's fully cooked. You watch your thermometer. As soon as it's cooked, it will pop up. Yes, but otherwise it takes about 4 to 5 hours to be fully cooked. And your oven, you have to except the summer oven varies though.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to heat your oven 425 degree. That's what you bake on. So everything is ready, and I thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and we promise to upload you with more beautiful video. And you can see as we decorated this, we have all the veggies on the side. So you pretty much like your decoration. You don't want to leave your turkey that way at the end of it. So you're gonna make your own decoration. That's what makes it more beautiful. And most of this vegetable is kind of a little bit pre-cooked, which means you can eat it that way, and the vegetables also you can eat raw. So but you make your own decoration as you wish. Thanks you very much and have a good one.
Thank you. It's beautiful.